I'm Kendall, a recruiter and resume writer who's helped over 500 people start, switch, and upgrade their careers, and with some pretty cool results too. These are just a few notes from my recent clients letting me know how their months-long job searches with hundreds of applications have immediately come to an end, some with same-day interview invitations. What's the secret to my success? I think in part it's due to my 12 years of experience hiring hundreds and hundreds of employees for industry leaders across the country. Not only do I know what recruiters are looking for in a resume, but I know where they're looking for that information. I use a combination of recruiting, marketing, and writing best practices to not only make sure they can see and understand the information, but that they can consume it in those first critical 15 seconds of review. This isn't a turn and burn gig. I don't take your resume, throw in a few keywords, and then spit it out to you the next day. Instead, I work with you to understand your experience and to build out a resume that speaks directly to you and your goals. I think this is why my resumes tend to have so much success. If you have any questions or want to know more, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to check out your resume and let you know if and how I